Hello and welcome back. Liquid Mask is a great tool in modeling. Stay with us to learn some nifty tricks. This wheel doesn't have separate tires, which is a challenge when it comes to painting. Let's paint the entire wheel in the vehicle color first. There, the wheel is painted in light gray. Let's apply VMS Liquid Mask. We are masking the hubcap so that we can easily paint the tire black. The trick is to use the wheel's geometry to our advantage. The circular crevices form borders that will contain liquid mask. We are done here. Let the mask dry for 15 to 30 minutes. With the hubcap now masked, we can paint the tire black. Let the paint dry before removing the mask. The paint is dry, we can remove the mask. There, the mask was removed successfully. Some wheels are better off done the opposite way. We apply the tire color first, then the hubcap color. Let the paint dry before applying the mask. Let's protect the tire with VMS masking fluid. Again, the trick is to use the wheel's geometry to our advantage. The circular crevices form borders that will contain liquid mask. Liquid mask beats paper wheel masks hands down. The fluid can be used on any model and not just on the wheels, but also on canopies, windows, periscopes, you name it. We are done here. Let the mask dry for 15 to 30 minutes. The mask is now dry. Let's spray the hubcap. Once the paint is dry, our masking film can be removed. There, the mask was removed successfully. Let's paint a bigger wheel now. First, the tire black color. Every wheel is different. Due to geometry, it's better to mask the tire rather than the hubcap. An important tip: never let the masking fluid dry on your brush. Use soapy water to clean the brush while it is still wet. Alternatively, you can use a toothpick to apply the masking fluid. The liquid mask should be removed after 24 hours at maximum. Don't let it stay on your model for days. The masking film is now dry. We are applying the vehicle color now. Let's remove the masking film to reveal the tire. That's by far the best moment in this process. There may be some paint chunks left. Simply remove them using a toothpick. That's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful, and see you next time.